YBG336, he's absolutely right. I forgot to answer this question. He said on screen, you didn't answer my question yesterday, how black people are Israeli. Our ancestors, the ancient Israelites, were known in the Tanakh as Israeli, and that's what sparks the question for YBG. And I got a reaction, and this is why I say so. So when we go to the verse, when we go to 2 Samuel 17:25, the word of Yah says, and Absalom made Amasa captain of the host instead of Joab, which Amasa was a man's son, whose name was Ithra, an Israelite, that went into Abigail, the daughter of Nahash, sister of Zeruiah, Joab's mother. So what I like to highlight is the word right here, an Israelite. An Israelite. So when we go into our language, which is Hebrew, it says, Yitra, ha Yisraeli, ha Yisraeli, ha Yisraeli, right here. Yisraeli. You see it on the right side, it says an Israelite. But what I'm saying is that the term Israelite is English. When we say Israelite, it's English. It's English. But when you say Yisraeli, it's Hebrew. And this is the proof that I'm saying. So when it says, whose name was Ithra, an Israelite, and I'll highlight it, whose name was Ithra, or Yitra, an Israelite. The word "and" is inserted again, right here. Israelite, in the yellow. Ha Yisraeli. So technically it's the Israelite. It's Ithra, the Israelite. Ha means the. Ha means the. It's a definite article. And the word for Israelite in Hebrew is Yisraeli. We can even click on the term. We can even click on the Strongs.
Okay.
Yisraeli. Yisraeli.
Oh,
Yisraeli.
Wow.
Yisraeli. Yisraeli. You take away the Y, what do you get? Israeli. A descendant or an inhabitant of the nation of Israel. An Israeli.
Wow.
And I'll say it here. If you don't believe me, check this out.
Strong's H 3481. Yisrael. Yisrael.
Okay, well they said it with, they didn't say it with the suffix, they say it with the suffix.
Right.
But the suffix ends with an E. And here's the proof right here. Right here. You see that highlighted right there? It says Lee.
Yeah, so Yisraeli.
Yes. So yeah, so it's Yis. What?
Lee.
Lee. Yis. What?
Lee.
Lee. Yisraeli. So technically we are Israeli.
Israeli. That's crazy. Yeah, I never see it. Look, man, that's something new to me. Man, that's deep.
Yes. I just wanted to answer that question because I did forget. I forget. But the reason why that was even brought up, Double T, is because during when I did that response video, I was reacting to their live stream. Their live stream, they did it on Sunday. So I'm reacting to their live stream from Sunday. And what they said the Hebrew that we see right here on screen, this Hebrew right here, they say that it's Israeli. They say it's Israeli Hebrew. It's modern Hebrew. And what I'm saying is, no, this is the Hebrew that was recorded by the Masoretes, the Masoretic text. Right. And then also what I'm saying is that they like to use the word Israeli and refer to the Ish community. But what I'm saying is that term Yisraeli or Israeli, that's our term.
Yeah, where
that's
you think
us.
they got it from? Yeah, where you think they got it from?
Yes, sir. They got it from us. So I don't know why
That's
we like to
deep.
call them Israeli when we're actually boasting them up when we're doing that.
Right.
We're actually throwing shade on ourselves and we're lifting them up by calling them Israeli when we should be
Right.
calling ourselves Israeli. And
Right.
Israeli is a descendant, as we read on screen. I'll read it
Yep.
again. It's a descendant of Israel, the nation of Israel. Yisraeli,
Wow, man, that's
right
deep,
here.
man. Yeah, that is deep, man.
So, oh, and here we go. Thank you. I appreciate that for that. And that's what I appreciate about YBG. Always gives love, always gives credit where it's due. That's my ghetto shofar blast. It's the best I got.